Welcome back, Heyy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to quickly apply bleach on your hair, doing a quick ombre and bleaching your knots. Today I'm using UNice hair, and I'm getting more details on that in the part 2 video, but this is part 1. So yeah, go ahead and put your little medical gloves on. Lay your foil out. I like doing this because it's quick and easy to clean up, and it's also part of the processing part, so very important. So this is the hair. This is the 20-inch curly hair, 150% density. I will get, like I said, more in details of the hair review, and etc. So right now I'm just combing down the little baby hairs. You probably can't see it, it's not clipped in the camera, but yeah, as you tell, it was pre-plucked. Pretty natural, but I did go over eventually and plucked it. But this is what you want to do. People like to do inside out. I personally don't. When I do my bleaching, it's always already done. So I'm using BW2 packets. I always use the packets because I'm only bleaching the hair, and I don't think it's always necessary to go get big box or whatever. It'll be like $2. So BW2, and then I'm using 40 volume developer. I'm using this for, again, bleaching the knots and doing the ombre process of the hair. So I do this whole process, took me like less than 20 minutes to do, but I'm fast forwarding to make it very easy and quickly. I use the cap. If you have a beginner, use the cap of the developer too, so you can measure out how much bleach it is. That's just a tip. I'm using a knife, but a knife because it's easier to spread without bleaching your actual hair. You just bleach the knots, easy to lay and spread. So you want to make it to a nice thick, like cottage cheese. Half the time, y'all like to put more bleach in it if it get like that consistency I had before. I kept mixing. Make sure you mix it very well. Once you mix it very well, it's gonna be looking something like this. Yeah, so then you want to go ahead and spread it evenly on the hair, the lace. This one packet spreads and does pretty much one good frontal, 2 closures. And I bought 2 BW2 packets because I used the second BW2 pack to bleach the bottom of the hair. You'll see how it's going to look in my part 2 video, the final results. But this is how it looked as me doing it. So just go ahead and spread it very evenly. A lot of people know how to do this part already, but some people don't. So I just went ahead and do my own tutorial, my video. And yes, y'all, I have moved to my own place. If you want a tutorial on how my house look, just let me know in the comment box below. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, girl, it's finally back. Y'all been wanting me to do a video on my applying my wigs and etc. So I'm literally showing you how I do it from beginning to freaking end with the bleaching process. How I got the color, y'all will see in my part 2 video. You know, I just went ahead and slayed it. But anyway, as you tell, I'm just lightly spreading it out. After you know, I got a little bit on the baby hairs, but it's okay. You go ahead and find a nice spot to put it on. I like to lightly press it. Don't press it too hard because you don't want to press it through the bottom of the hair. So as you tell, I'm taking the second BW2 packet, and I'm finna bleach the process. This is very not the proper way to, or the correct way to bleach your hair, but this is the quickest way. And I do this pretty much all the time with the bleach process. And I wanted it because it was curly hair. I wanted something a little different than my regular curly hair, because I have like 3 or 4 units that's just curly and black, and I just wanted it a little different. So this one gonna have a little bit of the brown blonde ombre. So this one you're gonna just mix it just a little bit more and a little bit more developer. As you tell, I'm using my hand. Yes, guys, I'm using my hand, and I'm just applying it all on the ends. I do not comb it. I did not use no brush. This is just how I do it, y'all. Y'all can do it different ways. Be very careful not to move the frontal if you're going to do this part, because you want the frontal to lay exactly where you place it, because if you move it, most of the bleach be on top of the foil, and if you move it, it's moving the bleach that's on the foil, if that makes sense. Just keep it where it's at and just apply the bleach. If you don't like this process, if you don't want to do this, you want to do the correct way, be my guest. Go ahead and do your thing. I do it this way because nobody likes no perfect ombre. You got to make sure it looks nice, and you'll see how guys look in my parts of it. It looks really, really good, y'all. So don't doubt the process. As you tell, I kind of moved it a little bit, so I just went ahead and tapped it back in place. But yeah, I do not comb this product through. This one little packet let me do this whole ombre process. Like I said, you will see the part 2 in the second video. So, yep. Oh, I let the bleach on the knots process for about 20-30 minutes, and then I let the bleach. I let them both process about the same time. So 20-30 minutes on 40 Volume Developer on my skin complexion. Yeah, bye y'all. See part 2.